How to ditch rice and still enjoy your meals. A guide for diabetics. Hello everyone. If you're diabetic, chances are you've been told to stay away from certain foods, especially carbohydrates. Bingo. Hello, right? Well, let's face it. One of the toughest things to give up is rice. No matter where you're from. Philippines, Mexico, Mediterranean, Turkey, whatever, Italy, fear not, my friends, because today I'm going to show you how you can ditch rice and still enjoy the delicious meals without compromising your health. So why is rice a challenge for diabetics, right? Well, before we jump into alternatives, let's talk about why rice can be a challenge for diabetics. First off, it has a high glycemic index, which means it can cause blood sugar spikes. How much glycemic index? Guess what? I have a new book for you. It's called Doctor's Guide to Diabetic Diet. You will find all this information also in that book, and you will love it. So go to SugarMD.com right now and claim your ebook. And we can also give the print book away as well, which is in print right now. So you can sign up for that and always ask for your free print book later and get your ebook. That's the easiest and fastest way to get it. Secondly, rice contains carbohydrates, right? Which is broken down to sugar, and that will cause those spikes that you hate. Let's not forget about the portion control, right? It's easy to overindulge on a bowl of rice. Well, you can say hello to Konjac Rice. Now, when it comes to alternatives for rice, Konjac is a game changer. For those of you who don't know, which is okay, that's why you're watching this channel, right? Konjac is a Japanese root vegetable that is naturally super low in carbohydrates and calories. It is also known for this high fiber content, making it a great option for diabetics. But the best part, you can find konjac in various forms. You can make noodles, or you can buy in noodles form or rice form or even flour. Now, how about Shirataki rice? That's a rice that I talk about in my Ultimate Diabetes book, which has been available for 2 years now, and a lot of you also have that book, and we give that book for free for you as well on my website. Well, we sell it on Amazon if you want to pay for it, which a lot of people do, and thank you for that, but I'm okay to give you free, so go to SugarMDs.com. But Shirataki rice is actually a form of konjac that has been also gaining popularity, and they call it Shirataki rice. This rice substitute is made from konjac flour and water, making it this super low carb and gluten-free option. Not only does it have a similar texture to rice, but it also absorbs flavors pretty well, so you won't miss the real deal. Next is cauliflower. Cauliflower rice is also another rescue. Another popular alternative for rice is the cauliflower rice. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, oh yeah, I know, another trendy health food, hear me out. Cauliflower rice is a great option for diabetics because it is, again, super low in carbs and high in fiber. If you like the cauliflower taste, of course. It also has a mild flavor overall. It's milder than cauliflower itself. Can be easily enhanced with herbs and spices. So go for it. So the next option, I kept it for the last, is the Parish rice. It is alternative rice, right? It may not be, let's say you don't like the konjac or shirataki, you try cauliflower, you hate all of that. Well, then maybe it's the texture. Maybe you're just too particular. Well, if that's the case for you, don't worry. I still got you covered. That another option that I just told you, Parish rice. It does contain carbs. Let me tell you, it is far better choice than your typical rice, white rice, or even brown rice. Better than that. The reason is it has lower glycemic index, which makes it a safer bet for managing your blood sugar levels. Remember, it's not always about eliminating carbs completely, but about making some smarter choices. So next time you're craving that comforting bowl of rice, maybe give Parish rice a shot. You might not even notice the difference. Now, Parish rice, in my experience, is not available in supermarkets. I don't know why, but it's available online. So check this out. Let's talk about how to use these alternatives. So now you know about the konjac, the shirataki, cauliflower, Parish rice. You're probably wondering how to really use them in your meals. Well, again, the good news is that they can be used in any dish that calls for rice. You can make a stir fry with shirataki rice or use cauliflower rice for a tasty, if you are into that fried rice thing, but maybe occasionally. You can mix konjac noodles with your favorite sauces for a delicious pasta dish. And of course, don't forget that at SugarMDs.com, we are on the subject of helping you manage your blood sugar levels. Let's talk about nutraceuticals for blood sugars. So you're trying everything. You're trying these different rices. Your blood sugars are still running high. Well, we offer 2 fantastic products. One is GlucoDefense, one is Super Berberine. We actually offer 20 products, but these 2 are pretty much the stars, designed specifically to help maintain your blood sugar levels. GlucoDefense is a supernatural supplement packed with vitamins, minerals, herbs. Super Berberine is another one for its blood sugar lowering properties. If you are wondering where to find these bad boys, you know where to go. SugarMDs.com. Now, remember, managing diabetes is not just about food choices. It is about embracing a comprehensive approach that includes your diet, your exercise, and yes, nutraceutical supplements, and when they're not effective, sometimes medications. The less the medication, the better, right? So the point is, I'm trying to help you not to be on these excessive, expensive medications with so many side effects. So check SugarMDs, SugarMDs.com. Give your blood sugar management a well-deserved boost. So there you have it, folks. You don't have to say goodbye to rice forever. With these alternatives, you can still enjoy your favorite meals without worrying about those blood sugar spikes. So go ahead, give it a chance. Konjac, shirataki, cauliflower, and sometimes the Parish. And thank you for watching. Have a happy and healthy dinner tonight. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.